Okay, don't start.
All right.
Because I want to set up some sort of pattern in this that creates a drive. We're trying to brainwash you. You're a prisoner
Okay.
of war in the Korean War,
Oh my.
and you're hearing this over and over. And if they do it,
What did you do?
I was just playing some of the actual notes. Now, does that sound exactly like this?
No.
That's what we want it to sound like. Yes. So do a couple like that, and now try this again. Now try a couple of Beethoven. Yes. Let's precede that with a da 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 again. And now da dee da da. It's like you're trying to shape every one of those so that they're identical. Da 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 da, da dee da da, da 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 da, da dee da da, da dee da da, da dee da da, da dee da da. So now in the left hand, would you go da 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 dum, da 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 dum? See, I'm finding that same rhythm. Da 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 dum. And then just go back down to the A, even though it's tied. Yes. And that too should have this shape. So the first note doesn't count. That's just blop. And then the left hand goes da 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 da. See, the real pattern in the left hand starts on that note.
Cool.
Because that's the one that imitates that. Yes. Very good. Da dee da dum. Da dee. Yeah. Ba da da dum. Dee da. Da da dee da. Da da dee da. That should feel different than how it's felt up until now. See, what you've got now is like a mosaic that's built up out of all the same little pieces.
Mhm.
Everything's being built out of da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. In the left hand, da 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 dum, and in the right hand, they're all the same pieces. Mhm. Yes. Da, da, da. And now you've still got three notes in the left hand, but they've shifted onto the beat. Da da dum,
Yeah.
da da dum, da da da. But they should all feel the same. Da da, da da da, da 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 da, da da dee. Just feel like you're making everything sound the same. You're like in some echoey cave where no matter what you say, it gets magnified and echoed back to you, but you can't quite make out what words you said because
Yeah.
the echo distorts it in a strange way, so everything's coming out. And when you've dug enough of a deep groove, they'll all fit into that same